Hi guys! Welcome back to my vlog. It's me again, GL, and today's topic is something na sigurado akong maraming makaka-relate. Bakit napaka-importante ng closure sa isang relasyon? Kung may mga bagay na hindi malinaw o hindi natapos ng maayos, minsan mas mahirap mag-move on. So let's dive into this, shall we? Closure. Bakit nga ba napakahalaga nito? Well, closure gave us the answers we need para matanggap at maintindihan ang ending ng isang relationship. Hindi lahat ng love stories is nagtatapos ng happily ever after. But, that doesn't mean wala na tayong karapatang malaman bakit ito natapos. Kapag walang closure kasi, parang may mga naiwang tanong sa isip mo. Like, what went wrong? Was it my fault? Could I have done something differently? It's like holding on to something na wala naman talaga. Ang hirap mag-move forward kasi parang nakatali ka pa rin sa past. And sometimes, that leads to overthinking. In contrast, when you get closure, it allows you to heal. It gives you peace of mind. Alam mo na kung bakit natapos. And even if it hurts, at least you have the clarity to moving on. You deserve that closure. You deserve that peace. Gets nyo? But let's be real. Not everyone gets the closure they need. Minsan, you have to create your own closure. Hindi mo laging nakukuha yung sagot mula sa taong iniwan ka or iniwan mo. Kaya, kahit na masakit, it's important to find peace within yourself. At the end of the day, ang closure ay hindi lang nangagaling sa ibang tao, kundi sa sarili mo din. So, kung nandyan ka sa sitwasyon na hinahanap mo pa rin ng closure, take your time to heal. Pero don't forget, closure is about finding peace within yourself. Even if the other person won't give it to you. That's it for today's video, guys. I hope this helped, kahit konti. Don't forget to like, comment, and follow me for more topic like this. See you next time. Love lots.